What is up, you beautiful people? You probably can't hear me right now because I'm in an M3 that's straight pipe. Woo! Now this thing is a beast, absolute beast. It is a 2010 e92 M3. Yes, the V8, not the inline 6 twin turbo. So you have the raw power, no supercharger, no nothing like that, but it is tuned. Now you'll see what type of tune it is, but let's just listen to this. I have to yell, so hopefully you can hear me, because this damn thing is loud. Now, oh my gosh! RPMs to hear my reaction, see what's gonna happen. So let's wind down this window right now. There's a lot of people around, not really. I'm gonna give myself some space. I'm gonna bring this car up. I'm gonna bring it to 6,000. Here we go. People, you know what I mean? I'm gonna bleep that out. I got respect for you, my viewers. It's okay. But damn, this thing is awesome. Now, hold on. I'm gonna just let you go. Oh my gosh, heart attack. Old people around me, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Man, this thing is awesome. People, this car has no chill. Oh my gosh, I'm in 4th gear. Oh my, oh my, oh my, man, woo, no, I'm sorry, this thing. Have you heard of the term miles per gallon? This is it right here. My gosh. Honestly, nothing I've driven so far. Whoa, let's put it this way. Nothing I've driven so far has topped the massive beast mode as this. And it's on all the time. Oh my gosh. I think this is a turn. Oh, this thing grips! Woo! I love this car, man. This car is amazing. I'm gonna keep saying it. You can tally the amount of times I said amazing. I know I said it a lot, but honestly, the car looks good, the car sounds good, and in my opinion, I think it's worth to get. I mean, damn, this thing turns heads. You may get flipped off a few times, because it just happened a few times, and I'm just cruising. Oh, woo! I'm sorry, people. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to everybody around me, because this is a monster, and I'm saying I love it. Woo! You guys lawnmowing? How you doing, sir? How you doing?
He looks back. Even earmuffs don't work.
Earmuffs don't work, people. I'm sorry, so if you have earphones in, please. Be careful, because you will go deaf. Oh, the backfire. This is an amazing car. You guys are amazing. I hope your 4th of July was amazing. Absolutely amazing, because mine is absolutely amazing. Again, I am sorry for the shaky camera. The mount that I have, I'm not a fan of. I legit just got it, but hey, it's working. I'm feeling good. So if you feeling good, he's feeling good. I know that for a fact. It's a biker, I don't want to scare him. Okay. Cruise into it. I know I said I'm out, but I'm just saying, you have to listen to it some more, man. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta go.